Hi friends, in this video I will be unboxing and showing Little's soft plush baby ball with Rattle Sound. This toy helps your baby naturally develop concepts of color, shape, size and sound through fun-filled play activity. If you are looking for a toy that is soft, has no sharp edges, is big enough not to be swallowed and small enough for your little one to hold, then Little's baby ball is for your choice. Please try it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.